It's John with Upstate Brush Control. Here in the shop, me and Josh. Hey Josh.
Yo!
Yo!
What's up, YouTube?
Hey YouTube. So we're here getting ready to work on the E-45. We found out what's wrong with it. It's got a turn that down a little bit. So we had to put a new thermostat in, and that was covered under warranty when I bought it. So, but if you ran it hard and it got real hot on a hot day, it kept climbing up real slow, the temperature was. So we thought that's what it was the thermostat, but the thermostat was bad. But this radiator right here has got a dent in it down here at the bottom. See right in there, it's kind of creased. I'll pull it out and show it to you. But so we put a heat gun on it, tested it in several different areas, and about a third of the radiator is not allowing it to cool. So about a third of the radiator is, you can see right, see how it's kind of bent down there? So about a third of it isn't doing what it's supposed to be doing. So hey, it's Friday afternoon, and I'm gonna start taking this apart and come back tomorrow and finish it up. But I don't know. Never pulled one out before, so not sure what all I'm gonna have to take off, but looks like quite a bit. So here we go. Well, I thought I had a time lapse going, and I don't. But as you can see, I just took the counterweight off by myself. Josh left. He had to get going or whatever, but that's no big deal. I put two jack stands right there and took the weight off. And not gonna lie, it may have flipped back a little bit, crushed that, but we got it off. As you can see, it's upside down, so it went like that. No big deal. Once I get the new radiator on, we'll pull it out there, and I want to wash all this off. This is part of the reason why took I decided to take the counterweight off. Is that part of the reason? And I couldn't figure out this stupid how to get this radiator off. Instead of fighting it, it's 3 bolts. I don't know how much it weighs. It's pretty stinking heavy, but I want to get this thing cleaned up. Try to get all this mud and stuff washed off tomorrow, but just took those panels off. Yeah. So I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll keep going. There we go. Alright, so just got the old one out. Got it all cleaned up best I could. This could be part of the reason why she was overheating. But look at this right here. I thought we kept it pretty clean. I feel like I really stay on top of this kind of stuff. I guess not. All this mud and stuff that's up in here is from, I got it stuck pretty bad last winter, and that stuff was just caked up underneath there, so I wanted to get that out. Really wasn't, nothing was in the radiators as far as mud. There was just a lot of sticks and stuff there around the hoses and everything, but this stuff here, I'm gonna pull it out and pressure wash it off and everything, but yeah, that's not good right there as far as the dust coming out of the radiator, but definitely gonna have to stay on top of it better.
Oh yeah. Got a radiator. Back on.
No, we gotta let it sit for a minute.
What's all that for?
To rinse out your brush. Alright, let me see one. Here, Levi, let me see yours.
What?
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, welcome. Sorry.
Go get your little broom Wyatt,
Okay.
and then you can scrub up in there and all that stuff right there, okay?
Leave it.
No, leave that. Just a little bit, Sadie. That's all we need.
You're saying.
She's doing what I told her to do, Wyatt.
Why?
Sorry, Sadie.
I know. See, that's all. I did. I did. Oh, Josh. Ew.
I got it. Let me see if I got this. You'll be alright. We're back here to put this thing back together. Got my brother coming. He's gonna help me put the counterweight on. So looks so much better, so much cleaner. But me and Wyatt here gonna get her all cleaned up. Get this counterweight. Gonna put the forks on the skid steer and move the counterweight out so we can put this sucker on. That's my brother. He's helping me out here. We got it on there, all wrapped up. I'm terrible about videoing. I'm sorry. It really wasn't that bad. Put it back on there. What'd you find, Logan? All right, here we go. Got it wrapped up. This is my brother's son, Logan, and Austin.
And your son.
And my son. Here's my brother. He's gonna get the, man, glare's real bad. Why? Watch out.
Look, guys.
That didn't sound good. Alright, only sweep out the shop, guys. Get it all cleaned up.